Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Cliff, and if you've been wondering where have I been on my 30-day challenge, I have been actually posting daily, but I've stepped aside this just to try it out because right now it's an experiment right now with my channel. So if you look in my playlist, I've been posting a lot of shorts, a lot of videos on prayer. I am a man of faith. I do believe in a higher power. For me, it's God. It's Jesus as well. You may believe, whatever you may call it, God is, as well as I do, or the universe, or the power that may be. So I've been posting a lot of videos. So if you want to see, you want a prayer, video prayer. Sorry about that. I'm still working on my camera presentation and so forth. So I've actually, as you can see, my background, if you join me from day one, my background, I didn't have any background, I didn't have any studio. So over the last few days also, when I was creating my YouTube shorts, I was actually thinking about a design on my video as well. So I just used what I had around my home. I didn't order anything special, but as the days go by, the months go by, you'll see my studio changed, right? It'll change to a little bit more pleasing, a little bit more aesthetic. I think it's okay right now. I think it's something that I can deal with for now. In the meanwhile, I do feel like now I'm in a studio rather than my home. I have posted pictures of what I have as far as for lighting as well. As you can see, I do have a microphone. Actually, I got it here now. But I did also, I will be also setting up an actual podcast type of microphone too as well. So over the next days, what you'll see is that further improvement, right? As far as for the daily journey, that is my goal, right? To be better at what I do, right? To encourage you as a new YouTuber or as a person that started a new channel as well, what it's like, right, to start a new channel, right? And again, like I've always talked about in the previous videos, and that's where I'm at, that's where my heart is to encourage you, to motivate you, and to inspire you, to bring that genius within you, that hero within you out, and stop letting it be dormant. On to the topic of my studio. Here's the light that I bought, which is what you're seeing right now. And I'm not sure how to set it up, so I'm going to have you ride along with me to experiment the lighting. I did look at some videos as well, or watch some videos on how the lighting should be, and so forth. So it did come with a remote control. So tell me in the comments below, which one should I pick? I don't know. So this one's more, I'm not sure what to call it. A vintage? Is this the proper lighting for it? So this is one, a Y. Actually, by the way, I got it on Amazon. So I'm not promoting anything, at least not yet, but I'm not an affiliate, but I'm just telling you where I got it from. It was about $80, I believe it was, for the setup. So right now, I just got only one of the soft boxes, they call it. And so, yep, there we go. And here's one. Here's another, which is a W. I'm not sure what the W would do. Wow, it looks blue. I kind of like it though. I kind of do like it. I think I can see my light back there a little bit more in my little curio cabinet there. Yep, those are a lot of precious moments. My wife loves it. So I'm just using her bookcase or a little storage cabinet. This is WYW, white, yellow, I'm assuming. Here we go. So again, comment in the comment below and tell me which one is better, right? I'm not sure what these other ones are. He has 20%. Wow, that's bright. That's really bright. I'm sweating. This light is hot. Here's a 50%. Wow, that's even brighter. I bet this 100% is going to be blinding. Oh my gosh. That is nuts. Okay, so I think I'm going to stay with the 20% at least for the rest of the video. There's an on and off button here as well. You can turn it on, turn it off. And there's a button here. Not sure what that is. So here's how the whole remote, actually, I'm sorry, we're being rude. Here's how the whole entire remote looks like. Right? It's not your professional lighting. It's not your professional softbox, but when I was watching some videos, they said, hey, get something, at least you got some kind of light. And here's a bare minimum you should pick. So I picked the bare minimum, right? So here we go. Here's what the top button will be. I'm not sure. This one here. Oops. Let's see what that will do. Can I make it brighter? Let me try it again if there's multiple settings for it. Wow. Yeah, it's going even wider. Okay, so now I'm going to press the bottom. This bottom one here. Again, I guess it's to lower the intensity. The one. There we go. It looks like it's being lowered. So some of the things, the purpose of this too is some of the things that you need to look to as far as for setting up your studio or setting up your gear and learning it as well. So I appreciate you guys' comment and feedback within it, within the comments. And again, I'm not sure, I'm going to actually take a look. They said it comes with an actual instruction video, which I did not find. To be honest, I didn't find. It says instruction videos are within the packaging, but I did not find it. There was nothing to show a video or anything. So, hey, I needed to just get on and just continue on with this journey and so forth. So, yeah, here we go. And then over the next couple of days, you'll see again, like what I mentioned, you'll see me with the my desktop type of podcast. You'll see this expanding as well. But again, be encouraged, guys. Be encouraged to continue with your journey, to make that step, to go ahead and actually press that record button, right? Like for me, from day one, I was afraid for weeks. I had no idea that I wanted to do a YouTube channel, but I was inspired somehow to go ahead and do a YouTube channel. And hopefully my message that comes across will bring some kind of value to you, inspire you, and have you live all that you were created to be, right? And to do all that you created to do, right? Whether the this YouTube channel for you will be just a hobby, right? Or whether you're looking forward to monetizing it, right? And having it become some source of replaceable income, right? Or if not replaceable, some type of side hustle for you too as well. So that's my wish and my goal for you. I will be placing some of the bloopers that I did or from the beginning of this videos as well. So from this video, and hopefully you enjoy it. And again, tell me what you think about my studio as well. So I do appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate you tuning in. And that's it for today. Until the next time, I'll see you at the top and be blessed. Have a good day.
I can cut like a take. Stop. All right, guys, just setting up my studio here. Tell me what you think. Just trying it out. Just trying it out.
Welcome back. I'm Cliff. I'm back in my video saying,